Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a new person, if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I'm able to make these butterfly locks which we created in my previous video on my head. So I'm just first of all going to repart my hair so I can be able to crochet my butterfly locks on my hair and show you how I'm able to do it. So I'm making my mini twist, and this is the first time I'm showing my face on my channel, like officially, like a full video, apart from maybe shorts or something. Yeah. Thank God for bringing us out of our shell. So I decided to try out this hairstyle. I haven't tried it out before. In fact, I normally don't even make my hair because it's stressful. Like, I really felt a lot of pain making this. It's really stressful, but I wanted to do something different, and I think I'm so happy for the outcome. And I'm going to show you guys the mistakes in this hair and the best way to do it. So first of all, when I brought out my hair, I crochet it into my hair, but I didn't measure the length, so I just went ahead to start wrapping it, just to find out that it was too long and it was not making sense. So please, when doing this, you have to really check your length when doing this. I had to lose it and I saw that it was not making sense. I had to start it over again. I had put my, first of all, you crochet it in, so you can also measure the size with the length of your hair. So even if the length of your hair is so long, you could just crochet it back into your hair and you fold it before you use your external extension to wrap your hair till you get to the desired length you want, and you just wrap your hair. And that is also for this hairstyle. You don't need any glue, you don't need anything stressful. It's not going to even cost too much. I'm just using part of the extensions that remain. I also use my afro kinky. If you don't have, you can also use some of the extensions you use from the spring twist. So going over it again, I'm just showing you. I first of all put my crochet pin into my hair, and I'm going to put my hair, lock it into my crochet pin and drag it out. So this method is best because you can be able to measure the length you want for this style. If you just doing normal crochet, it's not going to help because the lengths are going to be different, especially when you can't adjust it. But mine was adjustable because I was the one that made mine, so I had to lock it back and pass my hair through the roots of my head. I had to pass it through, and first of all check the length at which is going to stop before I'll begin wrapping. You can use any other extension for wrapping, but for me, I use my kinky for some, I use my spring twist for some, but I use my afro kinky to wrap mine. So when wrapping, just basically covering your natural hair, ensuring that it doesn't show so much, and also trying as much as possible not to make my roots very thick. Like, you don't want it to be so bumpy, you don't want it to be so big, so you're just kind of trying to make it flat while wrapping. And when wrapping, I just enter into the crochet itself. You get the space, the gap space should not show. I just blend in, and that's just it. You don't need to use a gum, you don't need to use a glue to finish it. You don't need to use any gum glue or whatever. So I'm just going to leave you to watch the next part of the video. If you don't understand the first part, you should watch better, and I believe you're going to understand it. So if at this point you haven't subscribed to my channel, oh my god, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, tell me what you think about this hair, because me myself, I'm actually really excited that I tried something different. It's really less expensive. You're going to save a lot, and it came out nice. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch my previous video to know how we're able to make the locks on my head. Bye, thanks for watching.